Guys, today let's talk about some important websites you have to spend time on as photographers. So one fortunate thing that happened as photographers before social media is we all spent a lot of time on other photography websites. But what's happening now is we are all ending up spending a lot of time on Facebook and Instagram. And also people who learn photography now are learning photography in Facebook and Instagram, which is a very unfortunate thing. You know why? Facebook is filled with uncles, aunts, your friends who are all appreciating your very mediocre work. So we all end up becoming so happy with our mediocre work. Our mediocre work is not going to good, good is not going to great. And also what's happening is we are learning photography only from the famous people who are socially very active. So how can we fix this? Obviously we cannot get out of social media, we need it. We have to put our work so the world can see it. But can we reduce the time we spend on social media and then go to websites where photography is the main thing and talk about photography, discuss things about photography. Some of the websites I specifically like are 1x, 500px, Flickr, fearlessphotographers.com if you are a wedding photographer, and fstoppers.com. There's a lot of things to learn from these websites. Try the single step and let us know through comments how this has improved your photography to the next level. Thank you.